In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full-width section to a SharePoint Modern page. This feature is particularly useful when you want to make a big impact with elements like banners, hero images, or promotional content that really needs to stand out. But before we dive into the how-to, let's clarify what a full-width section actually means in the context of a SharePoint Modern page. A full-width section allows a web part to extend across the entire width of the page from edge to edge, bypassing any horizontal margins or padding that would normally apply. This layout option is particularly striking for elements that you want to emphasize or that need extra visual real estate. However, it's important to note a couple of significant limitations. First, full-width sections are only supported on communication sites. If you are working on a team site, unfortunately, this option won't be available for you. Second, only specific web parts are compatible within a full-width section. These include the hero web part, the image web part, the countdown timer, and a few others. Now let's move on to the steps you need to take to add a full-width section to your communication site. Begin by navigating to the page you wish to modify. Once you're on this page, you'll need to put it into edit mode. To do this, simply click on the Edit button located at the top right corner of your interface. This opens up all the editable options and allows you to make changes to the page. Next, you need to determine exactly where you want to place this full-width section. As you hover your cursor above or below the existing content on the page, look for a line to appear. This line will have a circled plus sign in the center, indicating that it's where you can add a new section. When you find the right spot, click on this plus sign. You'll then be presented with a set of section layout choices. From these, select the option labeled Full Width Column. This will add a new, expansive area to your page specifically designed to accommodate your desired web part. With the full width section now in place, the next step is to insert your web part of choice. You can opt for a hero web part for a dramatic, engaging layout, or an image web part for showcasing vivid photos. Whatever your choice, ensure it aligns with your communication goals and resonates with your audience. Finally, after you've arranged your full-width section and inserted the web parts you need, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, go ahead and click Publish, or, if you're revisiting the page, Republish. By doing so, you'll make your changes live, allowing them to be viewed by anyone who visits your page. And there you have it, a dynamic full-width section ready to capture attention and convey your message effectively.